Everybody fucking jump!
Welcome back to the Ozone, everybody. Let's get this show on the road and get you guys a little bit of box action. You guys already know what this is already. As soon as I start the video, you guys know I'll get a contact from somebody who calls me. This is the Air Jordan 13 Retro, black, court purple, and white, aka the Jordan 13 Retro court purples. Now, this is somebody's second pair of these shoes. I got them a pair last week, and they're already on another pair this week. Let's hope they take care of these ones. Not going to mention anybody's name. Let's take a look at her. Not a bad shoe in my opinion. These are sitting in most of the areas where I go, so I have an unnatural amount of them. If you need some, contact me. They'll be retail plus shipping. Get these out to you. I think we have sizes from 7.5 to 15, and I can get you grade schoolers if you need them. The quality on this shoe isn't too good, as you guys can see me wiping stuff off. It's dusty, and it looks like it collects a shat ton of dust. I said all of this out of a fresh pair. I just opened this box up now to just inspect them before I give them to the person who I got them for. All of the Jordan 13 features that you love so much. I don't know why you guys slept on this one. It's not a bad colorway in my opinion. I don't know if it's an everyday wearing Jordan or not, but I've seen worse Jordan 13s. There's no bread Jordan 13. But let's check it out. Jordan 13s are notorious for glue leaks and things like that. Everything on this shoe so far to me is outstanding. I had a couple lenties on there, but so far no glue stains. As you can see, a couple more lenties here and there. Nothing major on the shoe. I'll give you guys a little bit of top action with the light on. That's where the glue stains are usually at. You see all little lenties on the back of the shoe. Said I don't know what Nike is doing at the factory, but my Thunder Red 4s came linty. These look pretty linty. Thunder Red 4s are awful, guys, with the lint. I'm trying to tell everybody, just be careful with the, if you got a cat or a dog. Like I said, you guys can see a little bit of glue leak there with nothing major around the toe box. Overall, this is a pretty decent shoe. It's got a little bit of illuminated bottom action. You know, holograms that you guys are used to. All normal. You see the 3M on the shoe lighting up like crazy. Let's get this light out. Do one more 360 and we'll end her up. So my opinion, guys, if you guys have a chance to pick up this shoe, you don't have many other Jordan 13s, you might as well go ahead and pick up this Jordan 13. Looks like it's a colorway that'll last. Colorway, that should be pretty good. Alright guys, sorry about that. My camera cut off. We're going to finish up this spin and get out of here before something else happens to jinx me up. Was that hologram, as you guys could know, like I said, if you guys can pick up a pair of these, I don't know why you wouldn't want them. Okay, you guys look at the shoe when it's going to be on your foot. Guys, you know where we're at. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see in the next video. Let me know how you guys like the single sneaker per video. As we're doing it now, make sure you guys stay safe and stay healthy out there. Everybody have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!